Okay, so now I know I said that I'm going to show some details, but that's just the details that I'm going to tell you, because I ain't good at drawing a circle, so I'm just going to show you just to color it. So now let's just get started with the eyes. Oh, if you're wondering about what this is, well, you probably already read the title. This is Cartoon Cat. That was been made by Trevor Henderson. It's been a lot of videos about not videos, a lot of photos about the Cartoon Cat, which was made up by Trevor Henderson. Also, one of the most favorite about Trevor Henderson's monsters is the Siren Head. But one of Trevor Henderson's monsters, one of the favorites, is Cartoon Cat of mine. Kinda like the way how he has the apparition, but if any of you watch this, don't ever look up. If you're under the age of 12 or 6, please do not watch this on the internet if you have some anxiety problems. And if you see that, if any of you are like my age, you all can also see it, but don't take this as a violent thought, because it ain't good for your health, because I don't have that kind of thought. So, one thing about this is that I like the way how they kind of make the cartoon version. They said that the Cartoon Cat is kind of like the version of Felix the Cat in the early 1900s, or you could say 1930s. So, I just don't want to do a drawing right now because I just want to do a coloring. Well, I'm doing a mark right now because I cannot do it with a crayon because it's kind of too hard for me to shade it, because that's the only thing I like to do my own things to do with. Even if I want to paint so with a paintbrush, that I can't, because I don't got no camera holder to hold the camera, because this what I'm having right now, it ain't no camera, it's a tablet. Why are you staying your head on me? Is it hurting you? I might do another drawing probably next week or a little while. I always like doing videos for a little while, because reason why I haven't uploaded any ever since, because I've been kind of have stuff going on and I'm kind of too lazy to do another video right now, because I try to keep stuff going, but it's kind of too hard for me to catch up to do anything. Like right now, I'm just gonna do a coloring. Well, I just already draw this picture like 5 minutes ago. I am a good drawer. I just can't think how I could do the circle well. I just don't want to draw the Cartoon Cat head right now because I think it's a waste of time. But anyhow, if I ever get a phone or a camera, I guess I might have to either draw them again next time, just to give you some more details on how I'm going to do it. I was going to try to upload it last week because I didn't have time to, because I have kind of a nervous meltdown, which I'm kind of upset, which you all don't want to hear about right now, because I'm not into this right now. Sorry guys, but I'm trying to focus on the lines. It's gotta kind of make me slow to do that. But the cartoon cat was being discovered on Trevor Henderson's on Instagram. It's already been posted from 2018. But now for this year of 2020, they're all now going to start talking about it on the internet lately, since I watched it last month. But the cartoon cat ain't just any other cartoon. He's some kind of cruelty, violent cartoon which you don't want to hear about right now, because I cannot say too much about what he does, because I didn't want the YouTube company to get mad at me and yell at me about that. Because to me, that's illegal. Ain't that right? Illegal or illegal? Huh? Yeah, actually illegal. But why am I doing this to you guys? But in a way, I just have to, try to do a coloring. But it ain't no coloring book. That's just my drawing that I draw 5 minutes ago. It's not just that I'm obsessed with the creepypasta series, it's just that I just like to draw about about kind of some of the violent monsters, but not that kind of thoughts about that stuff. I just like to do some things what I like to do, just watch, because in my normal way at home, I just like to lay on bed and watch TV, so I can have some peaceful, quiet stuff. Then all I do is just sit down and eat chips. And you all want to know what's funny? I haven't been playing my video games ever since last week and this week. I still like games. I just don't feel like playing them because I'm getting tired of playing them right now. If I ever have the stuff to do with gaming, I guess I might do it, but only for a while, because I can't do it for this year because I don't got the stuff to do it yet. But for a while, I'll get that. It might be a little while for me to put a lot of this marker on there, but I'm just slow. That's just because I have somebody holding the camera on that tablet. Well, especially different because you can record stuff on YouTube. But in my own ways, I just like to do what I please to do. It's not just I don't want to do other YouTube videos. I just like doing my thing for a little while because it just helps me relax. Now, this is how the cartoon cat will look like. Now I'm gonna get started with the ears, the nose, and the gums. I'll show you what the collar on looks like, because I know y'all can't see the collar on this because the camera's kind of dark. Not just now, bro. If any of you kind of have a problem about that, I apologize for the difficulty. I just don't want to do the drawing of the cartoon cat because I kind of don't know how to do the circle much. Well, yeah, that's all I can tell you they all would know. And now, gonna do the teeth. Make teeth like has blood on them. Now, okay. Like this, pictures of all the cartoon cat was being like shown ever since 2018. But on YouTube, they're starting to talk about in 2020. They're starting to make videos about him. It may be in the same way you see it, but I just don't want to say too much about what he does. Because you all will find out about what they say on YouTube. But if any of you don't like that stuff, I honestly recommend you not to watch that. Because it ain't good to like see this, because it kind of makes people think that stuff is real. And now, this is how I'll draw one. Because that's the way how I like it. Also, if you all are new, please make sure to subscribe, turn the notifications on, and comment on me down below if y'all think that's good. And I might be back next week or a little while, so stay tuned.